Welcome to DataSense Popular Price Analytics module. This module shows popular sale and rent prices for a project or township. These prices are derived from popular listings on Property Guru and iProperty. We also include forecasted standard deviation for further analysis. Let's give it a try with Park Shore for 1,000 square feet. Start by searching for the project in the filter. Then enter the size. Now you'll have a quick look at popular prices for sale, rental, and rental yields. You can also take a quick look at the listings used for analysis. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you've gained valuable insights from this module.